Greetings, Lewis. Mind if we talk? My life is ganging up on me. I am so tense right now that Iris had me laying on the floor with my knees up on my calves up on the chair, bent at the knees, doing simple exercises for almost 10 minutes yesterday to try and release some of the tension in my back. And when it finally did release some of the tension in my back, it hurt more because I could suddenly feel all the ribs that all the tense muscles had been kind of masking. I am sore everywhere all of the time right now. I'm grinding my teeth. I am so stressed out. So stressed. She told me to come in with actions for Porgio More on Monday. I don't act. Also on Monday, I have Cormac's second lesson. I barely made it through the first lesson. I'm not sure if I can make it through lesson number 2. I have Garnet starting that day, and she's going to want to sing, which means I have to play piano, and when I'm this stressed out, I go into huge avoidance method, which means I haven't practiced nearly enough piano or learned her songs well enough, which just sends me spiraling further down. So all I want to do right now is bury myself in a really good book. Even TV isn't distracting enough, and I am so stressed out that I can't actually focus long enough to read. I keep bouncing between this and that and this and that, and I'll have music playing and the TV on mute, and I'll be reading something on the computer, and none of it's working. I am so overwhelmed. On top of that, I woke up this morning to every breath you take, every move you make, I'll be watching you. But you will have no idea what time it was that I woke up to Sting. 2 in the morning. 2 o'clock this morning. Who moves a party out to outside at 2 o'clock on a Friday morning? And do you think I went back to sleep? No, of course not. My mind started, thinking, and that was that. Gone, boom. My sleep exploded, so I'm tired and my brain is falling apart and I'm totally stressed and I'm sore everywhere and my teeth hurt. But I did get some thinking in. One, this whole red thing about Brienne. I like Brienne. Do I know Brienne well enough to examine her characteristic traits and try and emulate something? I don't know. Do I know myself well enough? Have I actually improved in anything? I mean, some of this is sleep talking, but I was actually thinking more specifically about the phrase, anything worth doing is worth doing badly. And I have always attributed that particular phrase to a particular action, right? If it's worth singing, it's worth singing badly. That sort of thing. I realized it's actually really applicable to life. Life is worth living, so it is worth living badly. I just have to try. I can't do this whole ostrich routine. I am so overwhelmed. So overwhelmed. So that's me for now. I think I told you everything. Twigs. Over and out.